Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric Wolf here with a unboxing video from Airsoft GI. I just got this box delivered to my house just not even like 5 minutes ago. This is my first order ever from Airsoft GI, so I'm gonna open it and see what's in it. Sorry if my voice is a little low for the video, guys. I am sick. I have a really bad sore throat, but I wanted to make this video anyway for my viewers. So yeah, plenty of packaging paper on the top and nothing on the bottom, like normal. Got my invoice. And the first item getting to pull out would appear to be, my NC Star tactical chest rig. I'll be doing a review on this video with some of the guns, magazines and whatnot that you can fit on this thing. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. Definitely going for guerrilla style package loadout that I'm doing. Next up is that back in the bag is my Lancer Tactical 1-point sling. Definitely using this for my AK that I have. Probably throw it on something like that and tighten it up, if you know what I'm saying. Grab my AK. And there we go. 1-point sling. Nice and easy to use. Definitely something I'm glad I purchased. And not only that, for the not only just that for my AK or another gun I plan on using in the future, but also a nice handy dandy little foregrip there for my AK. A little Stubby foregrip, so I can just be from here to add a little stability and control. Overall, makes the gun a little bit more tactical. I think that's pretty cool. But anyway, that was all I got from Airsoft GI, which was a new chest rig, this 1-point sling that I've got right there, and the short stubby CBQ foregrip. And this is Red Wolf, and I'm signing out.